We are doing an extensive renovation to this home for this amazing family of 4. We are going to be adding a second story above where I am right now. We are going to be completely transforming this home. I have the camera situated in where I think is the best spot to have it, so that as I record these videos every other week or however frequently I get to it, we can see what happened. So this is actually going to become a amazing vaulted ceiling area in here. We're going to have beautiful fireplace. Front doors, I think roughly staying in the same place. The team has already been hard at work getting a lot of the demolition work done. I wasn't able to get here first thing in the morning to start doing recordings of meetings and life and whatnot. But nonetheless, we've got lots of demolition work underway. We have already completed all necessary asbestos testing, and that came back clear. So the guys are just jumping right in and getting after it. Let's take a tour around the existing home and see what it's like. Like, for example, you can't see me, you can see me. This is all gonna be gone. Like, this is gonna be a glorious, amazing kitchen. And then behind the camera is gonna be an amazing deck. I am so excited about this project. It is gonna be amazing. We are now in what was the existing kitchen. Jason's getting the old kitchen sink removed. Come around here. This is where there is a stove. That's where the stove was. This is all going. Every square inch. We are gonna gut this house right down to stud. So this space in here actually is gonna become their dining room. Stairs are more or less staying where they are. This will become the dining room. Window, I think, is more or less staying roughly where it is. I believe we're modifying back here. We're growing this. I don't have the floor plans exactly in my brain right now. All I know is it is going to be vastly different. What we are gonna do, because we're tearing the roof off, we're gonna sister all of the exterior studs and make this floor have 9-foot ceilings, which is gonna be cool. This is gonna become the bedroom. There should be a door going in the wall over here. This is all getting modified. Jump over here. This space over here, where Gareth is about to come out, is going to be an office. And the bathroom is gonna more or less stay exactly where it is right now. Down here, this is gonna become a new secondary suite. This is gonna be a bedroom on this side. Over there is gonna be kitchen and living, if memory serves me correct. The game plan, all things going well, is we're actually going to lift this house just over a foot so that we get 8-foot ceilings. Right now, I mean, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, I believe they're about 6'10", maybe 7 feet. I'm 6 feet tall, so I mean, you be the judge. This is all gonna be beautiful, newly renovated space. We're not really adding any additional square foot. We're actually not adding any square footage to the existing footprint. The foundations are staying the same, but we're gonna add a second story and we're gonna raise this up, which is gonna make it feel a lot bigger. This is gonna be completely new. Like, it's gonna be mind-boggling how amazing this home is gonna be. Drinks up. Gotta love this red laminate countertop. Classic, old school, 70s, gotta love it. Same with all this wood paneling. I mean, it says all circa 1970s, 1960s. See this stuff all the time. It's a cool old house. Just needs a little bit of a makeover, that's all. There's not a lot to show on the outside of the house. It was rented. It's been just kind of left because they knew we were gonna be doing all this work to it. It's a great piece of property. We're gonna be adding a garage down there. It's gonna have an amazing deck off the back of the house for entertaining and enjoying family time together. So here we are in the backyard of Villa Famiglia. This is gonna be so vastly transformed when we are done this project. It'll blow your minds what we're gonna do to this home. But let's just have a walk around. We've got all sorts of vegetation that's overgrown. This is the existing garage right here. That's getting replaced. The garage is actually gonna go right over here. This whole side of the house is gonna go up. We're gonna have big deck here, balcony for the primary suite up there, which may even have some views of downtown. I can't even begin to tell you how much this house is gonna change and how phenomenal it's gonna be. Thank you so much for watching our videos and caring about what we do. if we can offer you any advice, or if you have any questions about what the process is like in terms of how we go about design, permitting, the construction of things, what's possible, what's not, please reach out to us via the Contact Us page on our website, sprucehill.ca, or feel free to leave a comment here and one of us will get back to you. I'm really curious and keen to hear what you're most interested to learn more about, and what sort of things I can tell you about that is really going to pique your interest. So I'm really looking forward to watching this project come to life and being a part of these clients' lives as they watch this house transform and ultimately obviously get to move in to this amazing, amazing villa, Famiglia. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.